Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Also you people are doing well and enjoying a wonderful life. Dear viewers, today is a very joyful and blessed day in our lives because today is Eid ul-Adha. So I wish you very happy Eid ul-Adha to you, to your families and to your loved ones. May this day bring prosperity, happiness, love and closeness to Allah Almighty. Dear friends, this day Eid ul-Adha is not about sacrificing the animals, but this day is about sacrificing our egos, selfish desires and submitting our hearts to Allah Almighty, because this day teaches us love, respect, humility and obedience. Dear viewers, as we share meet with our friends, with our family and with poor people. So let's come and spread and share love, respect, kindness to the people, to all the people who are living in this world. So I once again wish you very happy Eid ul-Adha to everyone. Have a blessed day to everyone.